What's up, YouTube? Picture Perfect Auto. Next project that's in the shop. Got a 1986 Monte Carlo SS Super Sport. Cool feature. Monte Carlo symbol inside the door handle. But the car was delivered last night. All the way from Port Richey, Florida, somewhere on the west side. Central Florida, West Coast though. 1986 Monte Carlo SS. I forgot to mention T-top. This car is like in a box. Everything is stuffed in. This is how it was brought here. Picture Perfect Auto finna totally rebuild his whole car. Everything is here. At least I hope everything is here. Most stuff in the trunk. Think I got the key. Pop the trunk. Even the carpet, everything, wiring, everything. The lights in the trunk. Got all the glass. Got the side glass. Got both door glasses. The whole car is here. I got to redo the panels, the floor pans. True SS. Y'all will see it when it's coming. I ain't gonna tell y'all what they're going. But 1986 Monte Carlo SS, now at Picture Perfect Auto in Orlando, Florida. Total restoration. Let's see what the budget is. Take it off the frame. So I'm gonna clean all that up. All this gonna be new. New everything. Down to the tires. Rust here. Refabricate all this. Fabricate all that. And there you have it. 1986 Monte Carlo SS Super Sport.